The fourth step in finding the mean and variance of the sampling distribution of sample means. And the fourth step says we're going to list all possible samples of size 2. And remember yung ating number of ways that we can draw sample of size 2 from the population of 5 is 10. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 10 means. Ano? Okay. Ano-ano yon? So, samples of size tong kukunin natin doon. So, we have first samples natin is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay? Wala na. Then, 2, 3. Pinagdalwa ko na kasi kapos space. So, we have 2, 4, 2, 5. What else? 3, 4, 3, 5. And last is 4, 5. Then, kunin natin ang mean. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1.5. This is 2, 2.5, 3, and then 2.5, 3 uli, and then 3.5, 3.5, 4, and then 4.5. Okay. Nakuha na natin yung mga samples at equivalent yung mean. Sunod natin gagawin is step number 5. We're going to construct the sampling distribution of the sample means. And ang sampling distribution of the sample means consists ng 3 columns. Yung first column natin, ito yung sample mean. Okay? Yung second column, yung frequency ng mga means natin. And then yung P, probability of the random variable x natin, yung mean, ito yung probability niya. Okay, kunin natin yung probability at saka ilagay natin dito yung mga sample mean. Let's start tayo sa 1.5, then 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and ano ba? 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4.5. Okay, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dito na lang natin ilagay yung total. Okay. Okay. Yung frequency niya, kunin natin. Ilan ang 1.5? Isa. Ilan ang 2? Isa rin. 2.5, dalawa. Ang 3 natin, dalawa rin. 3.5, dalawa. 2.5, 1, 2, tatlo ang 2.5 pala. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2. Dalawa lang pala. Ito pala hindi point. 3.5 natin is dalawa rin. Ang 4 natin ay isa. 4.5 natin ay isa. Ito natin total. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. O, tama yung total natin. Okay. Kunin natin yung probability niya. So, 1 over 10 ito. 1 over 10. 2 over 10. Or that's equal to 1 over 5. This is 2 over 10 or equal din sa 1 over 5. And then this is 2 over 10 equal din sa 1 over 5. This is 1 over 10, 1 over 10. Okay? So total probability is 1.00. Now, the next step is to compute the mean of the sampling distribution. Ito na yung hinahanap natin. That's it. This is mu sub x. And mu sub x can be computed by adding the product of the sample mean and the probability of the random variable x, which is the sample mean. Okay, so ito yung ating another table. Lagay natin yung mga sample mean natin. We have 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5. Yan, okay. Now, ito yung total natin. Sundan lang natin yung letter A and letter B na steps para makuha natin yung mean ng ating sampling distribution. Multiply the sample mean by the corresponding probability. So, ilagay natin yung probability. Okay, kopyahan na lang natin. 1 over 10. 1 over 10 is 2 over 10 or 1 over 5. 1 over 5. This is 1 over 5. 1 over 10, 1 over 10, and that is the total. Equivalent to 1.00. Now, multiply natin. That is 1.5 times 1 over 10. That is equal to 0.15. And then, this is equal to 0.2. This is equal to 0.5. This is equal to 0.3. Sorry. 3 times, that is 0.6. 3.5, that's equal to 0.35 times 2, that is equal to 0.70. And then 0.4. Sorry. Okay. 0.45. Then, i-add lang natin to according to letter B para makuha natin yung mean ng ating sampling distribution of sample means. So, i-add natin 0.15. Ito tayong calculator. 0.15 plus 0.2 plus 0.5 plus 0.6 plus 0.7 plus 0.4 plus 0.45. Our answer is 3.00. Okay? Ito, that is the mu sub x equal to the sum of the product of the sample mean and the probability of the sample mean equal to 3.00. So therefore, we already have the value of the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample means. And the last step, actually, we have the 7th and 8th step, that is the steps on how we're going to compute the variance of the sampling distribution of sample means. And the last step is we're going to construct the histogram of the sampling distribution of sample means.